guys, today I'm going to make some macaroni and chicken. So let's get crocking. I'm going to use chicken thighs for this because it's what I have, but you could use breasts as well. In fact, if you use boneless, skinless chicken breast, you could probably cut the chicken up into pieces first, but what I'm going to do with these is just run warm water over them and pull the skin off, and then I'm just going to let the chicken cook until the meat falls off the bone, and then just pull the bones out. I also trimmed off the excess fat the best I could. I'm going to season these with some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, there's sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Has no salt. I'm going to use cream of mushroom soup, and that's fairly salty, but at the end I may need to add a little bit of salt. Okay, I've also added half a cup of water. I'm going to add one more cup, so 1.5 cups of water, and then the can of cream of mushroom soup. This is big can, 22-ounce can, so if you use the small cans, use 2 of them. The 10.5-ounce cans, I believe they are. Probably also use cream of chicken soup if you like that better. Now I'll get the lid on there, and I'm going to add the macaroni at the end. And I'm going to cook this on high for about 3 hours. If you cook it on low, probably 5 or 6. It's been 3 hours, so let's check on this. It's all bubbly. Looks good. I'm going to add 1 cup of elbow macaroni now and stir that in. Then I'll get the lid back on and just keep an eye on it until the macaroni's cooked the way I want it. It's been about half an hour and the macaroni's about the way I want it, so I think I'm going to stir in a little bit of Colby Jack cheese as well. Just going to kind of eyeball that. I shut this off, and I'm going to get it out of there and put it in this glass baking dish because that pot holds the heat. So if I leave it in there, the noodles will get overcooked and they'll get mushy. And now I'm going to pull the bones out of the chicken. See how tender that is? Just pull the bones right out. I'm hungry. Let's see how this turned out. Alright. That's real good. Has a lot of flavor. It's raining out there, so it's good rainy day food. Guess we better see what Annie thinks. She's dancing around over here. You want to try some chicken, Annie? There you go. Well, that worked out good. And like I said, if you don't like thighs, you could use breasts if you wanted to. Might actually cook a little bit faster too. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.